noma ngeke ngibe guarantee because mayifika ngizoqeda isikole sake salahlekela isikhathi eside singabonani.
Although I won't be certain as to how long it would be, because as I was about to complete my schooling, then we lost contact, and I don't know for how long that we lost contact.
Thank you. When did you, if you so remember, when did you complete your schooling?
Uma kuukuthi sakhumbula umatric waqeda nini?
Umatric complete 2001.
2001.
So that would have been the time at which you started to know him.
Yileso sikhathi waqala umazi ngaso.
Isikhathi leso ngiqala umazi ngaso.
Around that time that I started to know him.
Thank you. Accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi.
Untanzi yena?
Engakubalwa ngoNtanzi, uNtanzi bekunokuba lokho ukugida wengoma wasemakhaya besebenza eCartonville, mina ngise-Western area.
Okay. What I can mention about Ntanzi is that there would be this traditional Zulu dance. He was working in Carltonville, and I was working in Western area. Yebo?
Yep. Bekuno group actually siyadlala ngama group but bengakhona ukumbona personally sixoxe. Bewuthola indaba group yabo nathi ne group yethu kuyagela ukuthi hayi khona mafika khona bani kubalwe nje kanjalo akaze ngaba close naye until ngize ngamazi 2016 efika noZondo eRustenburg ezofuna umsebenzi.
Yes, 2016. There would be groupings. Then they would say they are the likes of Mafiga in that group, and then we would also have our own group. But I've never contacted him personally or have that personal contact with him. And up until 2016, when he came with Zondo to Rustenburg to come and look for work.
Thank you. So, in other words, before you met him in 2016, when he came with Mr. Zondo, you only saw him by sight for all those occasions that you mentioned, and you never spoke to him.
So uthike ngaphambi kokuthi afike ngo2016 ehamba nayo uZondo bekuwukuthi wawumbona nje kuphela kodwa angikaze nje ndikhulume. That's correct.
Thank you.
Sorry, who is Zondo?
Ubani Zondo?
Mandla Nkosi Zondo.
Mandla Nkosi Zondo.
We don't know shoes.
Mandla Nkosi Zondo, we call him Shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a name, sounds familiar to the Zondo Commission, but we take it, you don't refer to that one, not so. Thank you. Now let's go to accused number 3, Mr. Ngube.
So let's start here now. Ngube?
Ayamazi.
No, I don't know him.
When you say you don't know him, have you met him before?
Akaze ngambona nje in my life, personal life hayi.
I've never met him in my personal life, no.
Will I understand you to say that you're seeing him for the first time here at court today?
Uyaqala umbona namhlanje la enkantolo.
Ngiqala ukumbona namhlanje.
I'm seeing him for the first time here today.
Thank you. Accused number 4,
Owesine?
Mr. Mapisa.
Naye angimazi ngiyaqala ngumbona la.
I also don't know him. I'm seeing him for the first time here.
And then accused number 5.
Naye angimazi ngiqala ukumbona namhlanje la.
I also don't know him. I'm seeing him for the first time here.
Thank you. Now, as I've indicated, these gentlemen here were arrested partially on after the current investigating team in this case, or amongst others, after the current investigating in this case had an interaction with Constable Zungu.
Nanjengoba ngishilo ke kuwena ukuthi ke
Oh, sorry.
You say, yeah, Mr. Smith, Nisine, you mustn't move away from the mic. As you wave around, you say your weight, the voice fades. It's not. Am I correct, Mr. What must he not do? He must talk next to the mic, not away from the mic. That's what he says.
I'll try the best that I can, my lord, but I must also indicate that I'm not used to standing like a statue. I'm used to moving when I'm speaking, but I'll try the best that I can. But I just wanted to bring that to the attention of the whoever had that complaint, my lord, or the concern, really not a complaint, but the concern. Thank you. I was saying, as I indicated before,
Yeah, got you. Okay, nazi babese ngishilo ke ngaphambilini ukuthi kwenake ithimba leli ke kuyilona eliphenyayo ke icala leli libopheke abalisa laba abahlanu abahlezi lana emuva kokuthi sebehlangene noma bakhulumisana naye uConstable Zungu.
thank you. And that is also where your name also featured.
Ila igama lakho ke ela qhamuka noma ke qhamuka khona ke.
Now let us talk about Constable Zungu. Do you know him?
Asikhulume ngoConstable Zungu yamasi.
Let me just get his full name because maybe you know so many constables. Yeah. That's Constable Sizwe Zungu,
Constable Sizwe Zungu.
who has sometimes been referred to here at court as a Zwe.
Hey, uzwe.
Uzwe, yes, Zwe.
You don't sound really so convincing. Do you know him?
Uyamazi yini?
Yeah, ngiyathi ngiyamazi.
I would say I know him. I know him.
Thank you. Constable Zungu gave a very lengthy testimony here at court about his interaction with his alleged interaction with his accused here and his alleged interaction with you on the 26th of October 2014.
Uthuleke ubufakazi phambi kwale nkantolo ke isikhathi eside ke yona ke yena ke uConstable Zungu esho ke ngokuhlanganyela kwakhe nabo ke basola ke lapha phambi kwenkantolo kanye futhi nawe ngalo ilanga langa yi26 kaOctober 2014
Do you
uthi
understand?
nalindawonye.
Do you understand?
Ngabe kezwakala?
That which I've just said to you now.
Is it a question
Oh,
or?
understand. Oh.
Yes, I understand you.
Thank you. Now, when did you first meet Constable Zungu?
Uqala kwakho ukuhlangana naye uConstable Zungu kwakunini?
Uqala womkhosi Constable Zungu, it was 2015 June.
When I first started to know Constable Zungu, it was in June 2015.
Can you explain the circumstances under which you started?
Awusho ke isimo
You
noma
met
izimo
him?
ngaphansi owathi wazana naye ngaphansi kwazo.
Okay, kwenzeka so. Ngangisuka bengisebenza eRustenburg.
I was working in Rustenburg. Yeah.
So mangisuka endlini ngithi ngiyeJozi because ngangilungiselela umshado wami.
When I say sorry, I was going home. I would be going to Johannesburg because I was preparing for my wedding. Yeah.
Ngangayikhaya ngangeJohannesburg ngiyothenga icathulo.
I was going to Johannesburg to go and buy shoes.
So ngithengise eJohannesburg ngafonela uGwabeni.
Whilst in Johannesburg, I telephonically contacted Gwabeni.
Ngithi akangijoyine eJohannesburg.
As-
Ngifuna ukubheka icathulo lapha eJohannesburg.
Asking him to join me, I was in Johannesburg and I was looking for shoes in Johannesburg.
Ekufeni kaGwabeni wathi no uyazi mfowethu ngicela ukuthi sijike kuba omncane kunoba omncane osebenzele ithembisa oyiphoyisa.
Upon arriving there, he then said to me, "Can you please make a turn at my uncle? I've got an uncle who stays in Tembisa. He's a police officer."
Yeah, you know, ngesilungu mhlamba ubaba omncane babizwa bo uncle kodwa thina ngesintu nje sithi vele ngibaba omncane. Thank you. Right, and then what happened?
Okay, safika lapha na then ngaqala ukumazi at that time ke introduce kimi ukuthi hayi uyena Sizwe Zungu lo kahle kahle ubiza ngozwe igama embiza ngalo wathi uzwe uzalo omkhulu Hlahlezi ushuthi which is Absalom Zungu.
We got there. That was the first time I met him. He introduced him. He said to him, "This is Zwe," referred to him as Zwe,
Yes.
and his father is Mr. Hlahlezi, which is Absalom Zungu. Yeah.
This Mr. Ntlatlezi Absalom Zungu, did you know him?
Yamkhulu ngiyamazi ekhaya.
Yes, I know him from back home.
I hear you saying umkhulu.
Umkhulu kimi.
Yes, he's a grandfather to me.
Oh, okay, no, thank you. Right, and then
Sorry,
what happened?
just for clarity's sake. I understand you when you say ekaya, at home. Here there's a dispute about ekaya. Some say emahlabathini,
Yes, Masabatini.
Yes, Mahlabathini.
enongoma.
Eh, Masabatini.
So please, specify.
Okay.
When you say ekaya, you must specify whether
Okay.
it's
igama
Ulundi,
lendawo.
whatever.
Oh, hayi mazele ekhaya Masabatini.
I know him from
Yeah.
back home in Mahlabathini.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right, there you are, Mr. Kwabeni. Oh, this Kwabeni, there's a Kwabeni who came to testify here at court, is known as Sifiso Zungu. I hear you have now touched on his name on several occasions. I don't know whether it's the same Kwabeni that you're referring to.
Yes, asemgwabeni.
Same Kwabeni.
Thank you. He introduces you to Constable Zungu
Yes.
and tells you who he is. That is the first time that you're meeting him. Thank you, and then what happened?
Sekwenzekanike?
Okay, hayi safike ngisayiphuzela. Okay. Into eyenzeka because ndlanga zokhuluma iqiniso. Khona umuntu wesifazane engangimlindile okwakufanele ngimthathe eJohannesburg ngibuyele naye eRustenburg.
We then had some drinks, and I must tell the truth, because there was a lady, because I'm here to tell the truth.
Yes.
There was a lady that I was waiting for, that I was supposed to go back with, to take her and go back with to Rustenburg.
I know, don't worry about that one. You see, I understand that you sat there, you entertained yourself, and then ultimately what happened, the lady thing. But then you sat there and entertained yourself, and then what happened?
Ngayihluphike ngaloko, nahlala ke nayiphuzela kwase kwenzekala.
No, saphuza nje then into eyenzakalayo sahlukahlukana ngobosi kwakho kuthiwa ngafika kuyi-Saturday late sahlukana ekuseni ngeSunday.
We sat there, we entertained ourselves, and we then parted ways, because it was Saturday, we then parted ways on a Sunday morning.
So you slept at Tembisa.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. So when you parted ways, where did you go to?
I was going to Brett where I was staying.
Ngangiya eBrett la ngihlala khona.
Thank you. Mr. Zungu, see Mr. Jonah there is there to assist us, you understand? Yeah. We understand that, you know, South Africa is a rainbow nation. It has got 11 languages, and everybody these days know each and every language in South Africa, I understand. But just for the sake of formality and for the sake of coherency in the record, you see, we would appreciate that we gave Mr. Jonah the opportunity to, you know, take everything that you are saying into the record, because the other thing that you would say and the transcribers in the record, they don't understand you. But when it is said by Mr. Jonah, they will understand it better, you see. That's the reason why Mr. Jonah is here, do you understand? To assist us. Thank you.
Jonah.
Mr. Jonas.
Jonas.
Oh, yes, Mr. Jonas. Yeah, I'm not talking about the Jonah in the Bible. This Mr. Jonas.
Okwenzekayo ke la uZungu ukuthi ke angithi manje uma unokhuluma isiZulu uphinde futhi ushintsheke uye kusona ke isilungu. Uma uyabona ke kunomliso hlezi ngalena ke konke lokho sikukhulumayo lana kuphumela lana futhi naye kuyibhala. So siyazi ukuthi ke abantu ilimi bayazizwa ke la eSouth Africa, kodwa siyacela ukuthi nje uhlaleke kwi language eyodwa.
Okay.
Understood.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. We don't undermine your understanding.
Akuthi sikubukela phansi baba.
Thank you. Then what happened to Kwabeni?
Kwase kwenzekani ke ngogwabeni yena?
When you left on Sunday on your way back to Bretswood?
Nokho ngiyibuyela lapha hlala khona eFosolasi.
He also went back to where he was staying in Vosloorus.
Thank you. Now I understand you that was the first time at which you met Constable Zungu.
Kwaku ihlandla lokuqala leluhlangana naye uConstable Zungu uzwe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Yeah. For the sake of brevity, let us refer him as Constable Zungu.
Okay.
Asikhulume ngaye ke asithi ke uConstable Zungu masimbizi.
Thank you. That was in 2015. Did you ever meet him again?
Kwaku 2015 ngabe wabuye futhi wahlangana naye.
Ngizange ubuya ngahlangana naye ngo-2017.
I met him again in 2017.
Where and under what circumstances, what was happening in 2017?
Nihlangana kuphi? Kwakwenzekani la enanihlangana khona ngo-2017?
So bekunokuthi makuyikade kuyi-month end ngibe nokuthi ngiyofuna impahla eJohannesburg, like kukhona izinto othola eRustenburg awuyitholi,
Yes.
then ngikhambe ngiyochecka eJohannesburg.
What?
So
Okay. Katele.
ngithe waseyangifonda ngiseCarton Center
Ubani?
yena Constable Zungu.
Okay. What would happen normally on month ends? There would be certain things or clothing that I would not be able to get in Rustenburg. I would then go to Johannesburg, and then he contacted me when I was in Carltonville. Carlton Center. Carlton Center, not Carltonville. Yebo.
Then umengifonela wangibuza ukuthi ngikuphi, ngithi nayi ngila eCarton Center.
He then called me and asked me where I was. I then told him that I was in Carlton Center.
So wathi hayi naye ukhona like eluzaneni eJohannesburg, but ungale eduze eCarton Center ngaseGandhi.
He informed me that he was also in Johannesburg and also close to Carlton Center, but just on the other side next to Gandhi.
Thank you. Just let us hold it to the Gandhi Square thing. You said he called you. Do you have knowledge as to where he could have received or found or got your cell numbers from?
We are sure ukuthi wakufonela. Ngabe uyazi ukuthi inumber yakho wayithola kuphi?
No, angazi.
No, I don't know.
Did you have his numbers?
Wena ke wona yakhe?
No, bengenayo.
No, I didn't have.
Thank you. Proceed.
Ngaqhubeka.
Okay, umengifonela mangifika lapha ngafika wathi hayi yazi wafika wathi hayi ngipake khona la wakhomba imoto ayihamba ngayo emhlophe esedan yePolo elimhlophe.
And when I got there, he then pointed out a vehicle that he said he was traveling in and said, I'm parked here. It was a white sedan, a Polo.
Then angena ngaphakathi kuna kitchenyana so la kuthengisa khona ukudla labo mama so.
We then went inside this place. Looks like it's a kitchen where the ladies are selling food.
Yes.
Then wathi hey bese ngiodile mina ngazi nami uzokudinga ukudla athi nawe nami ngishayisa emsebenzini ngase ngitangitshela, so then nami ngathenga ukudla khona lapho.
He then said or informed me that he had already ordered food. He didn't know whether I would also like to have some food. I told him that I just knocked off from work, so I decided to come here. So I would also like to order some food.
Then sadla lapho masiqeda ukudla athi neyish uyazi why yini singavakashela uGwabini for Socializing.
We ate and we finished the food, and then he said or asked, why don't we visit Gwabeni in 4 Sloras?
Ngathi mina hayi no vela yikho into ebengijahile so sizophuzana nathi no hayi sizobona phambili singahamba so sibone phambili senze njani.
I then informed him that I was in no rush, and then asked, what are we going to drink? I then said, no, when we get there, we'll see what to drink.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Let's hold it there. Now tell me, you first met him in 2015 physically, and the second time you also physically meeting him, that is in 2017. Did you have a cell phone communication or whatever communication in between these 2 years, that is 2015 and 2017, before you could meet in 2017?
Uthi-ke nahlangana ngo-2015 uma uqala nga umbona. Kwase-ke phinde uyohlangana futhi naye-ke ngo-2017. Manje-ke phakathi kwale minyaka emibili u-2015 no-2017 ngaphambi kokuthi uphinde uyohlangana naye ngo-2017 kwakukhona yini ukuxhumana ngocingo?
No, bekungekho.
No, there wasn't any.
So it was 2015, the first time you met him at Tembisa. Then there was a blackout. The next time that you had a contact with him, that's when he called you on 2017, and whilst incidentally you were also in Joburg.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Right, you were across the Gandhi Square, and then you are in the canteen, you have eaten, and then you decide to go and visit Gwabeni at Foslo Race. And somebody is asking, what are we going to drink? And somebody says, no, we'll buy beer when we arrive at our destination. Is that so?
Ukanjani?
Yeah, kunjalo.
Yes, it is.
Then proceed, take it from there.
Ungaqhubeka-ke.
Okay, uma sifika before singene hostel. Ayithi mina ayisinenhlahla nanga umuzi. Bayihamba nami umfana nje bayi2.
Just as we arrived, just before we got to the hostel, I then indicated, oh, we are lucky or we are fortunate. Here's Muzi. He was in the company of another gentleman. There were only two. Yebo.
Now, when you say Muzi, who are you referring to?
Ukhuluma ngobani?
Sibi.
Sibiya.
Thank you, that's accused number one. Thank you.
Yebo.
Accused number 1.
Yebo.
Yes. What was he doing?
Oh, wayenzani?
Hayi ungazi moyiphuma ngaphandle noma wathi wayekade egunda nje ngoba khosi waqhamuka eyithintitha lokuyana.
I don't know whether he had just finished shaving his head because he came out like in dusting himself off.
Oh, okay. Right, proceed.
Yebo.
Okay. Masifika zama. Okay, wangena umuzi emontweni nalomfana ehamba naye then wase introduce lomfana uthi hayi uyigama lakhe uThovi usebedlile kwahle ngithi hayi ngimazi kancane uThovi angimazi ngokumbona.
Musi then got into the vehicle together with the gentleman in whose company he was. He introduced the gentleman as being Tovi. I then mentioned that I know Tovi a little bit, but I don't know him that much or personally. Yebo.
Okay.
Yes.
Proceed.
Okay, then wasijikisa imoto sabuyela sajika kwasije Shoprite. Sabona Shoprite igcwele. Then sajikisa imoto sayi overland.
We were facing Shoprite, but we then saw that, we noticed that Shoprite was full or it was packed. Then we turned the vehicle around and we headed for overland.
Okay, ngabuza ukuthi ugwabeni ukuphathe nayi. Ugwabeni sesebhayisikini nkosi umuntu osebenza ngebhayisikini.
I then inquired as to where Gwabeni was. He then responded by saying that Gwabeni was still busy with his bicycle because he was using his bicycle.
The travel the vehicle then, who was him?
So
Or who was driving the vehicle in which you were?
ubani wayeshayela le moto enanekuyona?
Constable Zungu.
Constable Zungu.
Thank you. Right. And then he turned around the vehicle
Okay.
and then he drove to overland because Shoprite Checkers was
On our way siya overland. Sahlangana ugwabeni ehla ngebhayisikili ehostel thina siyaphi siya overland.
On our way to overland, we then came across Gwabeni. He was going down towards the side of the hostel. We were going towards the side of overland.
Yes.
Samshayela ihoti kwavela umuze wendini. Wathi hey na unevakashi la. Wathi hawu baqhamuka phi la?
Then the driver pressed the bell or the hooter of the vehicle. Muzi then peeped out or peeped through and said to him that you've got visitors here. And then he asked, where are they coming? Where are they coming from? Or those ones, where are they coming from?
Yes.
Then impilo uthi hayi besikusurprise nje sanyuka saqhubeka nohamba sasibehamba.
The response was that no, we were just surprising you, or it was just a surprise, and when we proceeded with our journey.
Yes.
Then safika overland sathenga utshwala.
We got to overland, we bought the liquor. Yeah.
What type of liquor did you buy?
Nathenga utshwala obunjani.
If you remember,
Uma kuwukuthi usakhumbula.
If ngikhumbula kahle kwaba i6 pack yama long tom Heineken.
If I remember correctly, it was 6 of the long tons of Heineken.
Nama long tom Castle Light kosi yena kosi uzungu ayiphuza iCastle Light.
As well as Castle Light, because Constable Zungu drank or was drinking Castle Light.
What else?
Okay, sathenga straight sale okwenza Jameson.
We also bought a bottle of Jameson.
What day of the week was it?
Kwakulisingaphi usuku?
Oh, Saturday.
It was a Saturday.
Thank you. So you bought normal malt, which was Heineken and Castle beer, and some bottle of James Jameson.